Azalea.
Are you excited to do the hayride?
Yeah. Whenever I draw birds, I just draw like that shape because I'm like horrible at drawing birds. You're crashing into Earth?
No.
So it's not going to wipe us out like the dinosaurs?
Correct.
How did the dinosaurs get wiped out supposedly by this meteor? This bonfire site is great for dining groups of 3 or more wagons, big church groups, communities, corporate events, other large groups.
You still wanted more?
Yeah, I like how you your ham color.
The stick's there so that it can get close, you know? Come on, Lilo. Okay, but Azalea, if you start to see any black on it, pull it out and stop it, okay? Just stick the whole thing in your mouth.
That's good.
You're still toasting it.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Blow it up. There you go. What are what?
Marshmallows.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be perfect.
I like that. I love this one. It's toasted so well.
it in your eye. Put it by your chin.
There once was a ghost, and her name was Lily. Of course, it looks more like Azalea than apple cider. It's like boring apple cider. Now it's like glowing neon yellow. What? Look.
This lighting is so weird. Why am I so illuminated without the flashlight being pointed at me? That's so strange. Lily, you need to point the flashlight not directly at you, but like in a good way. Lily the ghost, your skin's white. Your skin's so white.
See whether I'm getting them. Azalea, you're messing up their card.
Sorry.
Oh, there we go. Now I can see you.
You see me red?
I stopped being able to see you a little.
Where's Lily?
She kind of turns the light on sometimes. There she is.
This is so fun.
I'm good at it.
Can I tell the ghost story now?
Yeah.
Fine.
So, there once was a ghost named Herbert. And Herbert lives in the woods over there.
Sorry about that. I was
And Herbert scares viewers like you.